Hey there, my name is Laasya, and today I'm going to show you how to use banners in Braze to nudge your users without annoying them. Before we get into it, please like and subscribe if you like Braze content like this. It really helps. At its core, banners are persistent inline messages that live inside your app or site, like mini digital billboards. Unlike modals or pop-ups, banners don't interrupt your user's flow. They live quietly on the page, refreshing with each session and staying on brand. And what sets them apart from content cards is their inline location so that users don't need to visit a dedicated message center to view it. So why would you want to use these? Let's say you're a coffee shop app and you want to remind someone that they're just 2 lattes away from gold status. A banner is the perfect way to keep that top of mind without being annoying. Here's the best part. Once engineering sets up your placements, marketing owns everything. You can create and launch banners without needing dev time or a new app release. So let's walk through how to launch banners in Braze step by step. At a high level, the steps will be 1. Placement settings, 2. Campaign setup, 3. Banner creation, 4. Campaign send settings, 5. Prioritization setup, and 6. Testing. Now let's look at these steps within the actual Braze dashboard. Step 1 is going to be to ask your dev team to create these named placements within your code. So these are just divs that go where the banner should be placed. But then we're going to come into the dashboard settings and create it from this end as well. So name it, create that placement ID that's going to be used in the code. And once you've created a few, you're going to even see them in a view that looks like this. Now you're ready for step 2. We're going to go over to messaging and create a new campaign. And you'll notice that now banner is an option. So we're going to create it, name it. Feel free to tag it if you'd like to, and whatever other types of settings that you normally would do. The important thing here is to select the placement. So this is what we just had created. Now you're ready to actually go in to launch the editor. That brings us to step 3, actually building out the banner. You can use drag and drop blocks, upload custom code, or define click behavior like deep linking or event logging. For now, I'm just going to upload some custom code. This gives me the banner that I want to place within my app. And now I can go ahead and click done. Now I have the campaign settings relatively set up and the message created. I'm ready for step 4, which is to set my campaign duration. You can keep it live forever, which is what it's set up to be right now, or choose an end date. This is really good for flash sales or seasonal promotions. Step 5 is to prioritize. So if you have more than one banner that shares a placement, you can drag and drop to which one should appear first. Once you're happy with your settings, you can apply the sort, which is basically saving it. Lastly, once you go through all the settings, you're ready for step 6. Always test before you launch. Make sure that you're previewing and sending to Q&A devices before you hit that beautiful launch button. I hope you were able to learn something about banners in today's video. Do you have an idea for a banner use case that you'd like us to show you? Comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you want more Braze-related content like this. And visit covalentmarketing.com for more tips and tricks. See you next time.